Hello, I'm Dr. Michael J. Duckett, and I'd like to speak with you about one of my books, Becoming Your Biggest Supporter, Unleashing Your Inner Champion. Many people are highly supportive of others, yet deeply critical of themselves. Over time, that internal voice shapes confidence, decisions, and even relationships, and too often, it becomes harsh, doubtful, and limiting. In my book, Becoming Your Biggest Supporter, I focus on developing a different inner posture, one that's built on strength, clarity, and self-respect. This book shows you how to replace autonomic self-criticism with intentional self-support, how to make decisions from inner trust instead of fear of judgment. Confidence is not arrogance, it's alignment between who you are and how you speak to yourself. When you become your own steady advocate, your resilience increases, your clarity improves, your life moves forward with greater purpose. If you are ready to build real self-trust and quiet confidence, this guide will help you unleash the champion within you. I'm Dr. Michael J. Duckett. I encourage you to go to Amazon.com and get your copy of Becoming Your Biggest Supporter. Thank you.